And one simple observation that most of the students have, because most of the times you get confused whether to put minus sign here or minus sign here. It is obvious Now let's try and discuss a situation from GATE 2019 pertaining to this orthogonal transformation. Now here a line is rotated by an angle 30 degrees. The initial coordinates of the line are 20, 10, and we need to figure out what are the new coordinates, that is x dash, y dash. I have put the prime to ensure that they are different coordinates, obviously. Now, how would I get the numerical value of these? It is very simple. If you remember this particular matrix, which we discussed at length in the preceding videos, the problem solution is very straightforward. Now, the only thing I will have to substitute here, for x I have to substitute 20, and for y I will have to substitute 10. So if I did that, I get my x dash and y dash. And one simple observation that most of the students have to have, because most of the times you get confused whether to put minus sign here or minus sign here. It is obvious that as the line is being rotated, the x coordinate reduces and the y coordinate increases, and which is explained well here, because it is x into cos theta and y into minus sin theta. Now instead of x, if I assume 20, then my coordinate would be 20 into cos 30, because it is given that it is rotated by 30 degrees, and then y is nothing but 10, so it is 10 into sin 30, and which simplifies to 10 root 3 minus 5. If you looked at the choices carefully, you don't have to go beyond this, because if you calculate one of the coordinates, this is the only x coordinate that is available with the right y coordinate, because what is to be observed carefully is that y is increasing and x is decreasing. For formality, if I calculate the value of y dash also, this is of course x dash, and if I calculate the value of y dash also, it turns out to be, because x is 20, it is 20 into sin theta, which is half, and then plus 10 into cos theta is root 3 by 2, because it is cos 30. So when I simplify, I get 10 plus 5 root 3. So the only thing is plus minus root 3, instead of with 5, it is with 10. So this is once again a very simple question. Now let's try and play around with this question. It's going to be fun. Let us see how this transformation matrix could be used to manipulate the coordinates of this. Of course, this is a very elementary computer graphics exercise. Let's try and do that, and then see how examiner can conceive questions that can test your the basic understanding of the concept. So let's move on. And once again, one fact I would like to emphasize is that you looked at 3 questions, 2006, 2009 and 2019. In all the questions, what is tested is a very basic understanding of this transformation matrix. Therefore, if you grip this particular concept, you find these questions very simple, and within no time, within less than 10 seconds, you will be able to answer these questions. So let's move on and look at how an examiner can conceive questions on this particular concept.